Hey y'all, Josh here. Got some exciting news. Got my first official sponsor, Granite Telly. They supplied me with some awesome spark plug wires. We met them up in SEMA, talked to George, I believe, contacted them, and they hooked it up. We're gonna get these put on, see how it works. Their claim is a free horsepower. If you come over here and take a look at the old ones, compared to these two, definitely a lot better build quality. Just right off the back, nothing to knock against MSD, but I mean, just look at it. So we're gonna slap these on. Hopefully Saturday we can go out to the racetrack, test them out, and see if they really do give me some free horsepower. Got my wife behind the camera right now, and it's a little chilly. It's a little late, but that's what we're gonna do tonight. Alrighty, well, it was a pretty easy install with spark plug wires. They came in my favorite color, red and black. As you can tell, we got a black car. Almost exactly perfect length. They clear the headers. They have ceramic boots in, so good for heat protection. Hopefully these stay on. They feel like they're snug. I found out one of my MSD ones earlier was not on, so I was running on 7 cylinders instead of 8. Went and did a new set of spark plugs while we're in here. About to fire it up, see what it sounds like, see if we get that free horsepower they're talking about. Alright, well, right off the back, that fired up a lot better than the other ones did. Sounds a lot healthier. Like I said, Saturday, if it doesn't rain, we're going to try to take it out to the track and really put it to the test. But until then, we'll come back, or until Saturday, we'll see how it goes. I'll put another video out, see what y'all think, and we'll go from there. Y'all have a great night. Bye-bye.